Okay, how to make Boston Market copycat cornbread. First you need a Jiffy corn muffin mix and Jiffy cake mix. You mix them all both and you copy the instructions for each. It says 1 egg and 1/3 cup of milk or water. And this one is 1.5 cup of water for the cake. No, half cup of water. And this one, both of them need 2 eggs total. And cook at 350 for 18 to 25 minutes. Over sideways. Okay, we're going to use a miniature muffin or cupcake tray. You have to leave some space for it to rise. Since I use a small cupcake, it's going to be 325, about 15 minutes. Just use a knife, poke it. It's coming out clean. This means it's done.